I think the waterways and the watersheds within Rhode Island all need repair. My name is Glenn Place. I'm the president of the Rhode Island chapter of Trout Unlimited. Our main mission is to conserve, protect, and restore the watersheds in Rhode Island so future generations can enjoy them. From conservation to instruction to community, we really want to make it happen. It's all about preservation for the future.
Rhode Island Trout Unlimited's mission is to sustain cold water species, namely the brook trout. And how we do that is we have been monitoring these watershed areas, 3 of them, Falls River, Flat River, and Wood River.
Water monitoring in the watershed is of primary importance, and it kind of really drives some of the conservation efforts that we do at Trout Unlimited Rhode Island. We take water temperature, for instance, helps us identify thermal barriers. Dissolved oxygen helps us modify the stream bank with our Trees for Trout program. So it really drives what we do from a conservation aspect within the watershed.
My name is Elizabeth Herron. I am the program director with the URI Watershed Watch Program. Trout Unlimited Rhode Island is one of the organizations that we work with on monitoring Rhode Island waters. TU is really focused on protecting, preserving, and improving water quality in the Upper Wood for particularly trout and native trout species. For our particular work with them in the Upper Wood area, we are trying to ensure that the river maintains its quality and in some cases improves its quality.
You know, there's over 500 derelict dams in Rhode Island. Some are big, some are small, but they all have one thing in common. They provide thermal pollution downstream, and they prevent connectivity within the system. Connectivity is so important. We have to have genetic diversity in our ecosystem. If you have a particular brook trout population that's locked off from the rest of the world and from the rest of the stream, that's a problem. So we have applied for and received over $1.1 million in grants to remove dams, to restore bank streams, to monitor the ecosystem in the watershed. By having Hanna Instruments as part of that program really helps us. We can't take and make a strong case for a grant to remove the dam unless we can accurately measure the temperature coming out of the dam.
Many of our sponsoring organizations have been able to get grant funding for projects that have been identified through the water quality monitoring. In other cases, they've been able to change the classification of water bodies to increase protection on those water bodies. And in some cases, just understanding what's going on so that they can figure out what ordinances or policies need to be implemented to protect or restore particular water bodies. So for TU, they were able to get funding to do some restoration work, and they have been able to work with DEM knowing they have credible data. Monitoring is so important for water quality because if you don't know there's a problem until it's really evident, we can't fix it.
Within the past 10 years, we've really focused on opening up the chapter and promoting a lot of different activities. From fly fishing for women, for Kids Days activities, veterans, first responders, conservation, Trees for Trout. It's really an incredible stable of things that we've done. We are very fortunate to have a national organization like Trout Unlimited that empowers and allows us to really impact the community on what we do. And it's just really great when you have that type of community, that type of commitment. You really have to sit back and say, this is what Rhode Island Trout Unlimited is all about.